This is how we make crispy chicken wings. Cut wings into two.
So, meron kaming big sizes na wings.
5 pieces. So, hinatin namin ito 2 para mas maganda siya tingnan pagka i-bake na.
Dry it with tissue.
Okay, I'm gonna try with a dry towel.
Dry tissue.
Put in a mixing bowl.
And for the ingredients,
And here's the only 3
powder,
ingredients.
pepper and salt.
2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And mix all together. Put mixed ingredients to the chicken wings. And mix all together. Preheat the oven in 10 minutes in 200 C. We suggest to put in a griller tray. Now, put the chicken wings in the oven. Leave for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, as you can see, we transfer into a griller tray. Now it's done and ready to serve.